Domino, the same aim is being pursued by Ethereum. Both networks want to improve the world, but they encounter the same kinds of issues while trying to do so. Following the introduction of the Vessel hard fork, other companies are also experiencing a substantial decline in their prices and figures. After the merger's implementation, the market for Ethereum has also seen periods of instability. Which network will be the first to crack and raise its rates? As a potential investor, it is tough not to be enthused after carefully examining Cardano's fundamentals. It is no secret that social media dominates the market discourse, and in this paradigm, an asset that achieves a per unit price is equivalent to one that is undervalued. ADA is now worth 1 penny. If your intention is to quickly accumulate wealth through cryptocurrency investment, it is not a good enough motivation, and you are probably not interested in Cardano and Ethereum's commitment to transforming society. No investment offers a guaranteed return, and as you are aware, the cryptocurrency market is the most volatile of all markets. Cardano's price and value have had incredible increases, yet they have also experienced big decreases. The overall crypto market does not have enough historical data to determine whether it has the potential to stabilize and produce profits over the long term. People have, however, made hundreds or millions of dollars as returns on the money. They were simply very lucky. Ethereum does not have it easy. It initially ran across similar issues that the Cardano network is currently facing. It was introduced in July 2015 and opened for business for $2.77 on August 7th. The value of the coin dropped to 81 cents the following day and stayed below $1 until January 2016. The most challenging aspect of cryptocurrencies and other emerging financial instruments is that, with the benefit of hindsight, many investors would have purchased Ethereum or Cardano years ago, just as some would have done with Amazon back when its initial public offering, IPO, price was only $18 per share. However, long-term investments received little attention. But with Cardano, it's quite simple to invest long-term in a project once you fully comprehend its underlying principles. And all you're doing is speculating that it will become the next great thing, which is gambling rather than investing. Try to define it from a long-term perspective no matter what you choose to do. Nobody wants to be in debt 3 months from now because they gambled on cryptocurrency and lost everything. The primary query at this point is, will Cardano ADA hit $10 per coin? It actually depends, though. There are several things to take into account. However, experts predict that it will reach $10 sooner than most people believe. The price of the ADA token is significantly impacted by the Cardinal's capacity to permit the creation and support of stablecoins. Through upholding the coin's worth and importance, its value is also increased by the ADA network. This is achievable since the coin's value is correlated with network performance. Stablecoins and stable pairs are of great interest to investors, and the ADA network makes them both possible when the demand for ADA stable currencies increases. Additionally, Cardano will be under more pressure, driving up its price. Also, it has made a name for itself because to its accurate predictions and strong network. Investing in Cardano has shown to be very successful. The extent of this reality has been constrained by economic and market tendencies. Therefore, having high expectations could lead to unheard of losses and unbearable suffering. Cardano unveiled its Vessel hard fork upgrade at the end of September with the intention of making it simpler for other projects and dApps to develop on the blockchain. Well, there were no appreciable price hikes for the upgrading. Many analysts continue to have faith that the upgrade will ultimately significantly improve the protocol. However, the Vessel modification was not as successful as was hoped in terms of quickly increasing value. Additionally, this failure can be linked to global financial unpredictability, says Andy Lyon, a leading digital advisor and the author of NFT From Zero to Hero. Prices have fallen since the launch of the vessels due to macro risk, which is being driven by a highly hawkish U.S. Federal. He claimed that during the excitement leading up to the split's introduction, the ADA Bitcoin exchange rate likewise fell by 5.5%. This phenomenon was related to broader macroeconomic issues brought on by a problematic global economy and a protracted bear market. Donald is not the only toy affected by macroeconomics. Micro-variables are unconcerned with updates or promises made in the future. Ethereum also received its fair share. However, users continue to believe that Cardano will soon surge ahead due to Cardano's efforts to improve the world. Donald Trump's objectives go much further than just leveraging the blockchain to decentralize transactions. Particularly in the financial markets, there are several goals that are unquestionably much superior than simple greed. There are rival cryptocurrencies that are only interested in fame and the desire to increase their coin worth more quickly and significantly than any other. Scale is the true problem with all cryptos, though. It is regarded as the playground of the developer, where concepts are developed and novel theories are put to the test. Many financial institutions and businesses are only now learning about cryptocurrencies and how they might be used to their advantage. Given this, it is easy to assume that Cardano has admirable goals. It implies that the idea of cryptos, such as Cardano, shows the possibilities of what cryptocurrencies and DeFi could bring to the world's financial system. Really, this is amazing stuff. Fragmentation, however, will constrain the cryptocurrency market going ahead. If the nature of decentralized currencies prevents it from being more organized, the coin price will be impacted. It will be challenging for Cardano to provide the groundwork necessary for its vision to become a worldwide reality. The cryptocurrency market could appear to be too new and unstable for any investor to generate any significant profits. However, Cardano ADA is what sets it apart. It has a worthwhile vision that is worth embracing. The vision has also drawn a number of bullish reports. Cardano is one of the biggest proof-of-stake blockchains in the world based on electricity use and market worth, according to a recent White House energy report. In general, the goal of this paper is to comprehend how the cryptography industry is affecting global warming. It also examines if the government will need to enact any reforms to lessen the environmental impact of the Bitcoin industry. Cardano received the top slot in the White House's ranking of all cryptocurrencies, which placed it third overall and first in terms of proof of stake. The community and Cardano supporters were energized by this story. On Twitter, Cardano has received a lot of support, which is positive. Dan Gordillo, the creator of a cryptocurrency investment firm, also tweeted about this development. The White House Energy Reports, which is likely ADA, lists Cardano as the biggest proof-of-stake blockchain in the world. The MVRV ratio has also been continuously increasing, acting as an optimistic future indicator. In order to enhance Cardano, the IoT team has meticulously studied every facet of blockchain technology. To guarantee the greatest outcomes, several procedures have been created. Cardano was created as a mission-driven initiative and cannot technically fail because the greater adoption would put more people at danger. It grows gradually yet effectively. Obviously, there must be a wide range of unfavorable opinions regarding this rate of development. Some even claimed that the launch of proof of stake would never happen, however Cardano refuted this claim. But do you really need innovation to compete? Yes, there really isn't any other option. It is important to remember that innovation happens in all initiatives, including those that are reluctant to do so because they feel it is not necessary. The goal of evolution is to find the optimal means of survival, including Cardano. ADA is moving in this direction, improving productivity and seeking out new possibilities. Cardano ADA is a utility net. The fact that Cardano is the first proof-of-stake platform to be created using only review, research, and development processes is not at all surprising. Donald outperforms Ethereum, but its low cost and a few utilitarian rights are insufficient to warrant a position in ADA. There is a case to be made for Cardano ADA $10, claims Compendia. Only a few months later rather than many years. And let's face it, that's crazy target. But to believe that Cardano ADA would reach $100 by the end of the year is absurd. Therefore, the $10 prediction is not completely out of the question. It may reach $10 or perhaps higher, but you might want to think about what it will mean before you get too happy. Do you really think something extraordinary has to happen if Cardano ADA has to go online first? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Remember to click the subscribe and notification buttons as usual.